In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Facebook email address from your computer. So on your computer, open Facebook and click on your profile photo, click on Settings and Privacy, and click on Settings. In Settings, click on Account Center, and from Account Center, click on Personal Details, and here select Contact Info. And now we can see this is my current email address. And now to change it, we have to add a new email address and then we will delete our old email address. So click on Add New Contact and select Add Email Address. Enter here the new email address. Once you successfully added the new email address, select your Facebook account and click on Next. And it may ask you to verify your Facebook account password. Once done, your new email address will add. And after that, just come back to this contact information section and here click on your old email address and select your Facebook account, and then just click on delete from Facebook and your old email address will delete from your Facebook account. So that's how we can actually change our email address on Facebook from computer. Thanks for watching.